When people think about waterfront luxury, city like Dubai, Singapore, or even London comes to mind. Bangalore? Probably not. But what if I told you that just a few kilometers away from Bannerghatta Road lies a residential development that redefines luxury living in our city? A home where morning begins with uninterrupted lake views, expensive open space, and a lifestyle built around peace rather than chaos. So let's begin by introducing y'all with Housey. What exactly Housey is? So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving y'all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. So what makes waterfront living so special? Luxury isn't always about expensive interior or grand entrance. It's about waking up to water instead of traffic. It's about enjoying morning coffee, looking at beautiful lake view instead of another apartment. Worldwide, houses overlooking water creates a different kind of premium because they create something that can't be matched. An emotion connecting to nature while surrounding feels calm. Connectivity here is not compromised. Our project is placed right 2 kilometers away from Bannerghatta main road, giving you easy connectivity to more part of South Bangalore. You are in center to 2 metro lines. You can connect to Pink Line via Hulimau metro station, Yellow Line from Singasandra metro station. Daily convenience are also close at hands, whether it's Royal Meenakshi Mall, IIM Bangalore, Hosur Road, Bannerghatta Road. Supermarkets like D-Mart, hospital, school, major employment hub are everything within minutes away. So this combination of urban connectivity and peaceful surrounding is what makes this location more attractive. Lodha Azur is spread across approximately 10.5 acres, designed for low-density living. Our development consists of 6 towers, housing just over 500 residencies, creating more private and exclusive living environment. This project offers you 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and exclusive 4.5 BHK homes, catering for home buyers who aren't just looking for more space but better lifestyle. One of the first things you will notice here is the architecture inspired by timeless Greek and Roman design. And perhaps more impressive is the planning, that is 80% of open space surrounding with greenery and much more open space. What makes Lodha Azur more than just a home? A luxury home isn't just about apartment, it's about everything that surrounds it. At Lodha Azur, your experience revolves around Club Palladio, a luxurious grand clubhouse inspired by classical Roman architecture. Another unique feature is Lodha hospitality. Whether it's common space, premium services or thoughtfully designed amenities, everything here is luxury experience. Combined with landscape garden, open space and lake-facing surroundings, this project offers you atmosphere that is difficult to explain unless you experience it yourself. Another reason why Lodha Azur attracts premium buyers is the brand behind it. Lodha is one of the respected luxury real estate brand. It's also among few Indian developers with international presence, which includes Landmark Development in London. Over the year, the company has positioned itself for premium living, quality, and thoughtful planning. For many buyers, choosing a brand brings an additional layer of confidence, not just in quality but also long-term value. Now, if you're one of them who is looking to buy a home in Bangalore, then here's a strong recommendation from my end. Housey is here with its new series called Rights of Home Buyers. As many home buyers don't exactly know what their rights are. For example, if you purchase a home by paying a token amount to builder and later on try to cancel your booking, how much amount a builder can legally deduct here? Or else even after possession there is any construction related issue happening in your project, is builder liable for the same or not? All this is explained in a very simple and easy manner in our series. So before you buy a home, you must watch this series once. The link of our series is mentioned in the description link below and even in the I button. So go and check it out once. Now here's something special if you're considering Tower F. Lodha has introduced a payment plan that is 20 into 5 for the newly launched tower, that is Tower F. Here's how it's work. At initial, you have to pay 20% at the time of booking. The rest of the amount is carefully planned milestone around next 5 years, and your only 5% is remaining at the time of possession. Instead of demanding large payment at a short period of time, this structure aligns your financial commitment with the progress of construction. So can Bangalore really offer waterfront luxury living? After visiting Lodha Azur, I can say this one does. If you really want to know more detail about the project, their master plan, layout, pricing and unit availability, Housey team is ready to assist you. Click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.